how to use loop in connection. When you're calling subconnection, you can use loops, and they can have a 3 level of loops for the 3D space. And usually we are using loops in like anchor road, stairs, handrail, or some typical connection like bridge to cassette connection, and they could be used in different connection type and in different location, or even in one connection they can be used couple times. And also for some connection it's repeated. For example, the erection 8 for the column splice. Today we are showing some rule on how we control the connection loops. We have a connection did already. We just want to show how it works. Single click it, select it. So you can see they have a very simple one. It's only one plate, but this plate we are asking it loops and around a circle, and also it's going up. So like this is a stair, a spiral stair. Then how we make it, we have a control here. We can control the angle between them, like we change to 12, you can see the difference. And we can control the rise number, we can increase it, and we can change the weight, like we can change 60, and the total quantity. So you can have multiple control. Then how we make it, it's quite simple. Let's go back to connection builder. We have a simple plate we call it step. So we only have one beam and it's a plate. And you can see a plate 4x11, and the length is from the start point to end point, and it's follow a direction we given as point, pick point 2, pick point 1, actually the second point, and the start point is the point we given. So we are given a point and a vector plus a width, or actually its length for the beam. So then we can using those info to draw a plate. Then this is a subconnection. Then we go to the main connection, we call it stair. It only have one item, it's submin. That's the one they call for the subconnection. So the connection name is step. And we only have one main member, and we only use its start point as a origin. Then we give 2 points here. One is the location, another one is the vector. Then we have couple variable we just expose to user. We just say you can edit, see it's input by user dialog, and we have a default value. Then in the loop we select loop A. That means we have one-dimensional loop, and its stuff, if you give like you give a 10, then it will loop from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. And if you select loop AB, then it means they have 2-dimensional loop. So, and same as the ABC. If you give a list, then whatever you select X or Y or Z, they only have one-dimensional loop. So depends on how much input you need. You need only a x or xy or xyz. Then the loop B for both we already discussed in the base plate connection. So we just show you how we use the loop, where right now we use only one loop. Then we are using a formula here. Let's see the first point. What it is we can see from the first is the point. So the point is made by 3 value, or it's x, y, and z. So the x is the radius times cosine angle times the loop A, and y is radius times sine angle plus the loop A, and the z is rise times the loop. So when the loop increase, then the angle is increased and the rise is increased. So they come out like a spiral. Then we have another one. It's called ellipse ratio. We're using this one if this ratio is 1, so it's a perfect circle. Otherwise there will be an ellipse. Let's see. Let's go to the top view. I think this is the top view. So this is the top view. Right now the ratio is 1. Let's change to 0.5 and modify. See, it changed. And right now the vector direction is not properly. It's made from, it's along the, go through the center point. It should go to the tangent line. So we can adjust a little bit and make it looks better. So let's try, see if we can do it. Go to the stair and this is the vector. We want right now it's called x, y times. Let's move it to the x. And modify it again. Looks better. And by this way you can change, as long as you can give a right formula, you can make like any shape you want by the loop. Thank you.